What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja, and in today's video, I'm I'm actually not going to be reviewing anything, just something that crossed my mind and I thought I would share. On this channel, we talk about making money and we talk about making money online. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing stuff I come across, stuff I've learned with you so that you can hopefully find out the facts for yourself and make an informed decision. Okay? Now, this video is going to be brief, but I just wanted to share something real quickly. What you see on your screen is an image of a couple $100 bills. And the reason I have it there is because a lot of people will look at you and tell you that money is not important. And I'm here to tell you that money is important. If you still believe it's not important, then you clearly did not go through the pandemic. And if you did, then you were already well set before that happened. Most people, even when you're watching the news, pretty much struggled when they lost their jobs, when they couldn't go out to work, when they had bills to pay, and some were not able to work to provide for themselves and their families. I'm pretty sure they realized that money was important. There are many people who, even outside of the pandemic, have died because their families couldn't afford they couldn't afford to pay for medical expenses. There are people who are miserable and unhappy because they don't have a roof over their heads. Now, true, there are people who have nothing and they're still happy, and that's because money wasn't made to make people happy. Money was made to pay for stuff. It's it's a form of exchange. Back in the day, I could exchange a cow for maybe some repairs to my vehicle. How practical is it to have a cow ready to pay for stuff? It's not. Money was made to be the exchange, the universal exchange. And you exchange money for stuff, whether it be services, physical products, you name it, you exchange money for things to be done or for things. Okay? And there are many people who wish they could get certain things done, but they don't have the money. There are many people who wish they had the time to do things, but they have to be spending that time earning money because they have a job, or they have to be um, scaling back their life in a way where the money will stretch. And yet people still sit there and think that money is not important. There are marriages that are ruined because of money. There are other relationships that are ruined because they don't have money. All right? So if you think money is not important, we'll agree to disagree. But money is very important. I remember somebody asked me, so what about those people in the Amazon forest? They don't use money. True. Money is important in the space or the arena that it is necessary in. You're not going to take money to the bottom of the sea and pay for stuff under there. That doesn't make sense. So wherever money is needed, i.e., civilized, um, like in civilization where money is actually a means of exchange, yes. In the forest, in the jungle, under the sea, in space, no, clearly not. But we live on this earth, we live in towns, we live in cities, and in majority of these places there is a unit of exchange, and that's money. What would you do if you had more money? In fact, if money was no issue, if it was no problem, you had all the money you could ever want, what would you do? Would you be doing that job you're still doing? Would you still be in the same circle of friends that you're in? Would you still live in the same neighborhood you live in? Would you still drive the same car you drive now? Would you dress the same way that you dress now? Like, look at yourself. Would you still dress the same way that you dress? Would you still be married? Would you have gotten married in the first place if you had that money? Would you have gotten married to the person you got married to? I don't know. Money is important. Is it the most important thing? No, but it is. And this is just a small fraction of my thoughts about money, but money is important. Otherwise, people wouldn't be trying so hard to get it. Because the truth is, you don't pay for your bills in kindness. You don't pay for your mortgage with smiles. You don't pay for anything with um, good intentions. You pay for it with money. Because even in the pandemic, those car companies, those loan companies, they didn't care. You weren't paying, they repossessed everything that they could. So, subscribe. I don't know if you like this video, but it would be nice if you hit the like or share. Maybe at some future time I'll share more of my thoughts, but feel free to follow. Feel free to reach out to me. If you have any thoughts about this, let me know. Even if it's against what I say, let me know. Um, it is what it is. I believe what I believe. You're free to believe what you believe, and you're free to share what you think about what I'm saying right now. But this is the Internet Income Ninja. Get yours and use it to live the life that you dream of living. All right? Thanks for listening to my rant, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.